everybody. This is the night after, well, the morning after the hurricane. Hurricane Earl has started to move away from Bermuda now, and we've returned to hot, sunny day. Overnight we had plenty of rain, a bit of wind. I think they said there was hurricane gusts of 17 knots. But for the most part where I was, it didn't feel too bad, and the rain was probably okay. We were glad that it wasn't worse than it was. We did have a few bits of vegetation fall down off the palm tree, which is not unexpected. I suppose it's like nature's grooming. But overall, the damage is minimal for our property anyway. I mean, the house looks okay from the outside. We've just got lots of dead palm leaves on the ground. The cats survived it. That's Charlie. There's Snowy, the star of the last video. Oh, and there's George as well. And we have Ruby over there. We have 5 cats altogether, and honestly, they survived the whole thing. You can see from here that our house survived as well. We do have shutters on some of the windows, but as we're in the middle of a renovation, we've been putting new windows in, so not all the shutters have been replaced because we have to resize them. But everything looks okay. Oh, there's Max hobbling. Yep, the punt survived as well. Thought it might end up going somewhere, but the wind wasn't that bad. Yep, you can see that the sea of the Great Sound is actually calm. There is a breeze, but it's not too bad. The breeze itself is nice, but you can feel the heat. Oh my god, the heat. It's not even that late in the morning and the heat's quite bad. Porch survived. You can see that we've got the shutters on the front. We'll get them opened up. The house over next door seems alright. The sound is great. Can't really see any boats on the water as yet. I know that the buses didn't start back till 9, and I think the ferries to the island that go from one end of the island to the other are starting back this afternoon. Overall, for our property, not too much damage. For that, we have to be thankful. It's the busiest season for Bermuda, and probably from anywhere over this side of the world, for hurricanes, and I think this is the first really bad storm that's out there, and I think there's a few coming behind it, so hopefully it's not too bad. You never know when we have these storms how bad the damage is going to be, and all you could do is prepare for it. Yep, overall not too bad. We survived. It was good.